Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 11th. This 4-star Sudoku is the fourth Sudoku in this additional, so we have 3 Sudokus to go. So let's get started. Alright. And I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes. Otherwise, more than 30 minutes will be a tough one, a hard 4 Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku. Yes, alright. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 6 in this column, a 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. In this column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 here in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, or could be there. But we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so in column between, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And then how about the 4 in the third row, the 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. In this column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. So no 2 and the 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 3 boxes. And I see here the 2 and the 4. So this box cannot be a 2 and a 4. So the 2 and the 4 should be here as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then we have how about yeah. Here can a 3. I need a 3 there. 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. In the middle row, one of those 2 boxes could be a 2. We have a 2 over there in the row below. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. For the number 6 and 9, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2, yes, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. Here we have 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 9, I marked them, easier to follow. So 3 in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 5, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, 1 number left in the third column. We have here 2 and a 4. That means this number should be an 8. The 8 is a missing number. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle columns. On the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are the 9, the 4, and the 6. We see here 9 and a 4, so no 9 and a 4 in this box. 1 digit left for the 6. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in that box. I see here 2, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And now, how about 1, 5, and 9, 9, 9. 9 and the 4 are missing here. 7 should be here because we have a 7 there. 7, 7, alright. In this box, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the third row, we have a 7 here. Don't forget, because we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 7, here or there. But I see here 7 in the third row. So this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7. The 9 should be here. The 8 should be there. And the 5 could be everywhere. But we have a 9 here. So this should be the 9. Okay. Let me think. 6. Yes. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, we have a 6 over there. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box left should be the 7. These 2 boxes, the 5 and the 8 are left in this big square. I marked them, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. Alright. Okay. 1, 2. Yes. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 goes together with the pair as with the 2 and 8, because we have a 2 there. So 1 box left for the 1. Yes, in this row, the last row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in this box. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then 6, 9. Okay. Here we have the 1 and the 8. Yeah. A lot of pairs. I think I need to mark some boxes. How about here? Here should be the 9. One of those 2 boxes should be a 9. 9, that means one of those 2 boxes should be a 9. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here, 1 number left, the 9. Here, in this big square, 1 number left should be the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 box left should be the 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing. These 2 numbers, 1 and the 7 are missing. Yes, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 1 goes there. 1 box is missing in this column for the number 7. 1 box is missing in this column for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. And this should be the 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box is missing in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this last row for the number 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Oh, why? For a 4-star Sudoku, I'm very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again soon for the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. So see you later. Thank you, and bye bye for now.